Hello guys. Today I'm going to just show you how to represent the service. So once we have a service created, there's two. You can select different things, right? Like service, you can change from service style, right? Different service style. You can show the stuff you want to show, right? And you can do changes, change the contours, intervals. For example, here this is 1 3. I can change it to 2 5. You can do any change you want. So it become you can do those things very easily since the server is created, everything's calculated. But the one thing you need to do, it's important is you could, for example, elevation, you can do analysis on it. Okay, these 8 ranges, if you change to 4, it's gonna be only 4 range down here. You can hit preview to see the table. um, and if you want to change a specific color, you can click the here and change to yellow, then it's yellow. Okay, but even though this is not showing up here, the reason is um, it doesn't display it. If you display hide the contour, just show up the elevation, they show up there, and it's you can do analysis on it. Okay, you can change the different ways, change different colors. Okay, and you can also enter the number. For example, you want this to be 0, and the other one is 0. Well, it's like here is -2, here change to -2. So you can even define specific levels of data, okay, in here. Let's just try another one, slope. The same thing. You could get the color and just apply, and let's open them up in the style here. Just open the slope. So this applies, so you can see the slope. um, you can also change the color scheme of the slope down here by click certain places, then you have the slope. Okay, so that's a way to work on it. All right. Also, if you want to see here, this service elevation is like um, every triangulation service is like this big. If you want to make the resolution a little bit higher, you could go to edit service and then go to smooth service, and then choose natural neighbor intonation, that's good, and outdoor locations grid based, and in the select output region, you just click this one, and select service in here, and then in the grid spacing you put more numbers, the service gonna be the triangulation is gonna be big, the resolution gonna be low. Okay, so if I put a number smaller number, there should be better resolution, so the resolution should be higher. See, the number of output points is there's more of that. If I hit bigger one, there's less. Okay, so you have 3, there should be 1000 output points. I click OK. See here, all the slopes actually there's more resolution on it. Okay, higher resolution. Okay, so that's the way we work with it. So I think basically that's this. And if we change back to let's change back to elevation. So we know the so yeah, let's change back to elevation. The other thing is, for everything, right, you could select the service, and here you can add legend. You can choose what you want to select. If I select elevation and then you choose dynamic, then you can create a table. Okay, just remember this table is dynamic, so if you change the numbers down here, for example, I change color in this one, they will automatically update down here. So everything is, you don't have to do it again, go back again. It's all database. Okay, the same with the slope. Okay, you can create you definitely could create a legend on slope. You make it dynamic, so there's slope down there. So if you show up slope, it's gonna be what it was, a slope. Okay, so that's this representing service. So hope you can do it. I will see you next time. Thanks.